Are you someone who's preparing for an interview and looking for tips to look better than your competitors? We've already shared with you in our other videos how to leave a good first impression in an interview. But today we will tell you how to leave a lasting impression on the interviewer before closing it. Also, towards the end of the video, we will be sharing the list of the questions you can choose to ask from the interviewer that will give you an edge over the other candidates. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Rise and Shine, where you get all answers to transform your life for the better. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from our channel. In this video today, we will cover the below topics. Why is it so important to ask questions to the interviewer? And a list of sample questions you can ask the interviewer. Let's start with understanding the importance of asking questions to the interviewer. Usually, the interviewer asks the candidate towards the end of the interview if the candidate has any question for him. If you say no to this question, you are actually spoiling the good impression you might have left while answering all the other questions asked during the interview. Don't be surprised. You really need to say yes and ask a few questions to the interviewer to ensure that the employer knows you have come prepared and are interested in the role. Make sure you have some questions ready to ask at the end of the interview. You should ask at least 2 to 3 questions to the interviewer, but while preparing, you should have a list of at least 4 to 5 questions with you. There are chances that the interviewer might talk about few of the questions you have prepared and thus would have already answered them. Pay close attention to whatever the interviewer says and ensure that you do not ask any question which he has already answered, as this will leave an impression that you are not a good listener. And spoiling your impression in an interview would be the last thing that you want. See, having a list of questions ready to ask an interviewer makes you look interested, enthusiastic, and engaged. And these are all the major qualities that the employer will be looking for in the suitable candidates for the job. It also gives you one final chance to further highlight your relevant qualities and experiences. Please avoid asking questions that focus too much on what the organization can do for you or questions related to salary and other allowances. Don't ask questions for which the information can be easily available on the company website. While it's okay to ask your interviewer to clarify certain points, avoid asking about anything that has previously been covered. See, asking this question is not only important for the interviewer to know that you are really interested in this role and have done a thorough research before coming, but it is also relevant for you to let you find out if this role is the right fit for you. A good question helps you develop a better understanding of whether you'll be happy in this role and in this company. Also, it is absolutely fine to write down these questions neatly in a professional notebook that you can carry with you for the interview. It is okay to refer to the notebook also to ask questions, but just ensure that you ask them with a positive expression on your face with a smile. Now, to give you some idea of how these questions should be, here we have a list of questions that you can ask the interviewer towards the end of the interview. Even if the interviewer does not ask you if you have any questions for them, before closing, you should raise your hand and seek permission to ask a few questions from the interviewer. These are very basic and small things to do, but are extremely critical to ensure your success in the interview. We have divided these questions into 2 categories. The first one is asking questions related to the job role being offered. You can actually refer to the job description shared with you to prepare more relevant questions here. And second is asking questions related to the company offering the job. You can refer to the company website, press releases, and other online sources to prepare good questions here. So let's take a look at the different sample questions which you can ask from the interviewer related to the job role on offer. The first one is, what would be my immediate goals when I join? Then is, what would I be expected to accomplish in the first 6 months and in the first year of joining? Next is, per your previous experience, what do you think would be the biggest opportunity and challenge I might face in this role? Next is, can you please tell me how a typical day at work looks like for people working in similar roles? Another one could be, how will this role best serve the specific function or the vertical this is part of? Can you describe your or the team leader's leadership style here? Based on the current team, what skills or traits are most important in order to excel in this role? And the last would be, who would I be interacting with most regularly in this role? Now moving to take a look at the different sample questions which you can ask from the interviewer related to the company and your prospective employer. The first one would be, what will the onboarding and training process look like in this company? What sort of development and learning opportunities does the company offer? Where does the company see itself 5 years from now? What are some of the department's long-term goals? Tell me about the biggest challenges facing the company or this department. And the last one would be, what is your favorite part about working here? That is all for today. See, you just need to be well prepared and be confident of yourself, and then no one can stop you from achieving what you aim for. So never stop learning, and my best wishes are with you for cracking that very next interview you are going to give. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine. You can also leave your questions, comments, or any topics you would like to hear from us in the comment section below, and we will be happy to address them in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay good, stay safe.